If you are looking to withdraw SGD from crypto.com to your bank account, here's a guide for you. You will need to set up your SGD balance on crypto.com, and you can check out my guide here on how you can do so. Once this is done, you can go to Accounts and select Fiat Wallet. You can then sell cryptocurrencies to SGD. From my experience, you should be able to sell most cryptocurrencies to SGD. This is in contrast to XSGD, where you can only sell these 8 cryptocurrencies. With this new method, you are even able to sell USDT to SGD. After you have sold your cryptocurrencies to SGD, you can go to Transfer on the Fiat Wallet. After that, you can tap on Withdraw and select SGD. You are required to withdraw a minimum of 50 SGD. You can select any of your linked bank accounts to withdraw SGD to. A huge advantage is that SGD withdrawals are free. This is in contrast to a 0.4% withdrawal fee that you are charged for XSGD. Furthermore, the withdrawal limit of 2.7 million SGD is much higher than StraitsX. After tapping on Withdraw, your funds may take 1 to 2 business days to reach your bank account. After a few hours, my withdrawal was processed, and I received my funds in my DBS account. With this new withdrawal process, Crypto.com is now one of the best fiat off-ramp methods in Singapore. However, you may want to take note of the exchange rate between your cryptocurrency and SGD. This is because Crypto.com charges a spread. Nevertheless, it still could be a cheaper method compared to directly withdrawing from FTX. You can check out my playlist here for Singapore-specific crypto content.